discussing here, whereas 11 nationals are still being, we did not know kung ano yung saan yung whereabouts sila. Ang sabi is na turn over sa BI. Others are saying na hindi natin alam kung namatay ba talaga o hindi. Ay nag-appear dito, it's just so convenient na nag-appear sa testimony ni Mr. Lacanias, which fits perfectly to the scenario that happened. No? Earlier, Congresswoman Franz Castro was asking PIDEA na bakit doon sa matrix nila ay nandoon si Michael Yang. No? I think this, Mr. Chair, this gives us a new perspective on how the surveillance and the raid of the PIDEA on the Dumoy laboratory can be be appreciated by this committee, Mr. Chair. Now, gusto ko lang pong basahin certain doon po sa sinasabi po, Mr. Chair, yung binasa din po a portion of the testimony of Mr. Las Cañas. Kasi I wonder kung ito ba talaga yung according to Mr. Las Cañas ay sa kanya yung na kay Michael Yang, yung 11 passports itong Chinese shabu chemists na nahuli. This revelation is something that I guess our law enforcement agencies, the PIDEA, should look into, no? And I guess the committee should look dig even further, no? Deeper. Gusto ko lang pong basahin yung portion po doon sa testimony ni Las Cañas. Mr. Chair, in the afternoon of December 31, 2004, Sonny Buenaventura called me through cell phone and summoned me to proceed to Star Mart Caltex station near SM Ecoland, DC, for a very important matters. Upon arriving there, I saw Sonny and Jim Tan inside the Start Mart Caltex station. Sonny informed me that a shabu laboratory located in Ulas along the highway going to Turil, DC, was raided by the elements of PIDEA Region 11 under the supervision of Superintendent Wilkins Villanueva with members of PIDEA National Headquarters from Manila. He told me that hundreds of kilos of high-grade shabu were recovered inside the laboratory. 6 Chinese nationals were killed during the raid, and that one Alan C., the alleged mastermind, was apprehended with 10 other companions. All were Chinese nationals.